How to apply for Postmates driver app. Now if you wish to apply for Postmates as a driver, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, instead of using their app, you must open up a browser and go to deliver.postmates.com. Once you go to deliver.postmates.com, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Here just tap on the option that says sign up to deliver, and when you tap on this sign up to deliver option, you'll be able to see many different options. Now here you can go ahead and simply enter your phone number or email, or you can continue with your Google or your Apple ID to log in with your Uber, because Postmates is one of the products of Uber. Now when you've done that, you should be able to meet the eligibility driving requirements, and from there on you should be able to follow the instructions to be able to be and apply for Postmates driver. This way you will be able to apply for Postmates. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.